Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Xsense brand Wi-Fi based smart water leak sensor kit. This is going to have 4 different sensors as well as a home base. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so getting this out of the box, nicely broken apart, not broken, but separated I should say, to show you the sensors. Nice padding in between. And as you can see, each one has kind of a sensor right there. And then on the bottom, there's more sensors, button. So we'll get through all this stuff shortly and kind of show you how this all works together. Next, let's get the base station. We'll have your little speaker, USB-C charging point button, which I'm assuming is connection, setup, power, stuff like that. Obviously in here also is going to be a charging cable, USB-C, and then a little charging brick, which is nice. And then finally at the bottom of all that is your user manual, which I highly recommend you go through so you can understand all the different parts and pieces and how they coordinate together. So we'll get this all set up and walk you through it. All right, so when you first get this plugged in and you download the app, it will go into a pairing mode where you will see this, and you'll just need to use the app to kind of get that thing paired up. So as part of the process, you may need to just hold down this button for 5 seconds to get this flashing yellow, and then you'll need to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Like it'll be a Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi connection. Just trying to pair this stuff up, so just be aware of that process. During that process, you can also decide whether or not you want to press this button, turn the alarm off. So that's the next step. So what you'll do is to pair it in the app, you'll go ahead and try and add the device, and then you'll have to pick one of the 4 and match it with a location, for instance, bathroom or master bathroom or kitchen or whatever. And when you're ready, it's going to ask you to just hit this button twice, and then it will pair it with this. So you'll hit it twice, then hit next in the app, and you should be good. All right, so I got all 4 devices added, and so we're going to test them out real quick, just showing you, pouring some water near the and that's all. That's all you have to do is press that button. Now, obviously, you're going to see that this is red and triggering and all that stuff. So we'll go ahead and try and keep those separate. Clean up that little mess, and then of course clean the bottom here to make sure that it's completely.
Alarm off.
So we got it dried up. That's the other solution, is when it's going off, when you remove it, you can hit this button, I believe, as well. So again, we'll just clean this up real quick. All right, now what you probably didn't see is, well, I know you didn't see it, is a notification on my phone that popped up to let me know that a device had been triggered, and it told me the location. So each one of these gets matched up with a different location, and that's really helpful, so I can know it's, again, kids' bathroom or master bathroom, kitchen, stuff like that. So when you're placing these, make sure you're placing them flat. Don't place them upside down, and don't place them on their edge. That way water can drip on them, and we'll set this off again. And again, just pressing that button to turn it off, and you should be all set. Now, again, we're going to dry that up. But that's it. It's really cool functionality, really simple to use. You can add more of these than, it comes with 4, but you can add more if you need to. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.